So since he's inside and naglalaro siya ng golf game niya, I'll tell you now the story of this vacation. This is a 2 nights, 3 days trip. Today is Friday, Saturday, and then we're going home on Sunday. Sabi niya, he was thinking, since next week, he'll be away from me again for more than a week. This is his treat for me and for himself. Now, at least we'll be together for na kami lang. We don't need to go out, like no clubbing. So this is his trip for me. And then he didn't told me where we're gonna stay. Sinabi lang niya na gusto niya mag-golf. And then I have this thought na magpupunta kami dun sa hotel ng friend niya, which okay lang naman. We've stayed there before. Wait. But I told him before we came here for a drink, we just passed by here. We had a few drinks and then I told him I really wanted to stay in one of the breweries here. And then yung GM dito, pag nakikita namin, he would always ask us, when are you coming? Please come. Where are you coming? So now it's the time. So nung pag-uwi niya, hindi niya pa rin sinasabi sa akin saan kami magstay. Basta sabi niya, 2 of his friends already said yes, confirm our hotel. So sabi niya ganun, I'll let you know once we're there. So sabi ko, okay. So tinatanong ko siya sa kotse, saan kaya magstay. Hindi niya talaga sinasabi sa akin where. So okay. And then, kasi magra-right ka going here, makikita mo yung signage, Marriott Mommy Bay. Nung nag-sign siya ng right, sabi ko talaga, no way. Dito sa Marriott tayo? No way. We're gonna stay on Marriott. He said, yeah. Oh my God. And then, lalo ako na surprised kasi while I was packing our things, actually, putting on my makeup, sabi niya sa akin, you better pack some of your stuff na maayos kasi we'll have a cocktail party at 5. So, iniisip ko, baka nga doon sa friend niya, baka may cocktail party yung event, yung friend niya sa hotel, and in-invite kami to come over. But no, yung GM dito, may cocktail party, in-invite kami. His name is Silvano. He's really nice. Very nice, very polite, very pleasant guy. Oh my God, you'll love him.